This is exactly how to fix Escape the Backrooms VR. So to be able to fix it, what you need to do firstly is to make sure that your VR that is also going to be compatible with this game, of course, that it's connected to your PC or laptop. And you can check if it's connected to your PC or laptop just by going into settings here on your computer and then go into Bluetooth and devices as an example. And then you can see it right here quite often if it's gonna be connected. If it's not, you can always click on add device there and then connect it after that. You can sometimes also, some of you will have the option to connect it not just wirelessly, so not just via Bluetooth, but via cable. And if you do so as well, then make sure that it's connected to your PC the correct way. And once it is, then we can start actually going to the step number 2. And the step number 2 is going to be for you to go into Steam here, as you can see, and then find Escape the Backrooms game here, and then just right click on it. Then what you need to do is that you need to click on manage here and then browse local files, as you can see. Now you should be taken to this page right here. I'm just going to make sure you can see so it's not blurry here. And you can see up top it says Escape the Backrooms here, which is perfect. So what you need to do instead in here is that you're not going to launch the game via Steam that you quite often do. So you're not going to launch it by clicking on play here. Instead, you're going to launch the game. Just gonna bring up this. Instead, you're gonna launch the game via here instead. So this is the one that you want to launch it from instead. And that should then automatically connect it to your VR. So that is basically exactly how to actually do this.